In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Roblox game on your computer for free. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So you can see I have here this game, and I'd like also to show you how you can get it. You can simply install this game and then start playing it on your computer without any problem. To do that, first you need to go ahead and access or open your computer or laptop, and then we shall access our game through Microsoft Store. For this tutorial, I'm using a Windows computer, and you can also do the same on your Windows computer. Go ahead and look for this icon down here called Microsoft Store, and then click on it. If you can't see this icon, you can as well go to Start here, and then when you click on Start menu, you'll also be able to see Microsoft Store under Start menu, and mine is here. So if you click on it, it will take you to this Microsoft Store. From here, you'll have to create an account before you can download any game or any app. For that, go ahead and create a free account. In fact, you can use your Google account to be able to create your account. Once you're done, now you can proceed and search for any game. For our case, we want to download this game called Roblox game. So in case you can't find it here, just go ahead and search, and then you will be able to see your game, and our game is here. So if I go ahead and click on it, you can see it is a very popular game, and it has a rating of 4.5, and it has a lot of downloads. To download it, just go ahead and click on Get, and this will proceed, and then download the game straight to your computer. And after that, you will now be able to open your game and then start playing it without any issue. So that's how you can get and download Roblox game on your Windows computer. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.